I'm gonna help you build your own kit just like I did, and you're gonna save tons of money. Below, I will provide you all the links to everything that you can get that I use on my teeth whitening clients and what I've been using for over a decade. It first starts with a quality LED light that has a minimum of 6 LEDs. You can get these from Amazon, and using Prime, it's free shipping. The next thing that you're gonna need is quality gel. Now, we manufacture our own gel, and of course we love that. It's made here in the USA, 16% hydrogen peroxide, and can be used safely and effectively to get your clients bright white teeth in as little as an hour. In fact, we offer 2 different options: gel pens themselves, as well as a kit that comes with a take-home LED light. We provide those wholesale for our teeth whitening artists. Next in your kit, you're gonna need some basic supplies for sanitation, as well as to aid your client in getting the best results. Most of these can be bought off of Amazon, and we'll provide the links below. You're gonna need a mirror, and that's gonna help your client be able to apply the gel and see what's going on. You're going to need vitamin E swabs. This helps so much in providing a gentle experience for your client. A minimum of 1 bib clip goes around the neck, and disposable bibs. Now, we use these bibs also as a placemat for our service. So you're gonna need 2 per client. Safety glasses, because that bright light is super bright and your clients are gonna need it. Now, most safety glasses do come with the light, but just make sure. A cheek and lip retractor. Now, the ones that we recommend are soft and squishy, and it's more comfortable for the client. The less expensive ones are super hard and really are uncomfortable and hard for your clients to wear for an extended period of time. So make sure you get the ones that are gentle and soft. A teeth shade guide. I do not like using the individual hard enamel teeth that you'll see a lot of people offer those. I don't recommend those. And the reason why is it's really hard to keep sanitary. People tend to touch it to their mouth. And this is something that's a twofer. Number one, you can have your client pick their shade and you circle it. And then at the end of their service, you circle where they've arrived at, and they can take it home and they actually can see where they've gotten with your treatment. And a toothbrush. I like the pre-pasted ones. Clients will often forget to bring that with them, and so it makes it super easy for getting that gel off and making their mouth feel refreshed after their service. And some gloves, and that's really it. Building your teeth whitening starter kit is less expensive than you think. All of these things, even bought in bulk, are gonna cost you under $500. So there you go, you're welcome. I just saved you hundreds of dollars.